All right, good afternoon, traders. Hopefully, everyone is having a good day today. All market indices down today. Now, before I get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. Now, if you're not a subscriber and you happen to be watching the show, go ahead and subscribe. I really do think you're going to get a lot of valuable information from my technical setups. All right, with that, as you know, today is Friday. We are going to go over not only the SPY, check out some technicals on that, but we are going to go over the three stocks that I had recommended from Sunday's show. All right, with that, let's check out the SPY. So, all right, so as you know, we did gap down today on the SPY. We did touch this 50-day moving average, but we also did touch this lower Bollinger Band right here. Okay, guys? So typically and historically, every time we started touching this lower Bollinger Band, it does indicate a near-term bottom. Right now, I'm not saying that we're going to bounce right from here, but we do have a lot of support. You know, we have that value area high. We're right here at that 50-day moving average. So there's a high probability that we are going to continue going a little lower, drifting a little lower, but we should start seeing a little bit of price stabilization in the overall market. Okay, so I'm going to go over this a little bit more in depth on Sunday's show. So I do recommend, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to check out some technicals on this. Maybe I'll put a Fibonacci retracement chart on here, and then we'll really kind of get into the more detailed of where we might see a little bit of support in this in the overall market. Okay, that is the SPY. All right, let's go quickly over the three stocks that I did recommend from Sunday's show, and then I will let you go for the weekend. First one was BWEN. So BWEN, when I did recommend the stock, I had no idea that we were going to gap from from $9 all the way up to what was it? It opened up at 13, I think, or $12 or something like. No, I'm sorry, 11, $12. So again, if you ever see a gap like that, don't buy. You know, even though I say, this is going to be a nice, it's one of my picks. Unfortunately, I wish we had already been in it and then we'd seen that nice gap. But like I said, anytime you see a gap like that, I will preface that on Sunday's show that if you ever see a large gap of more than 10 or 15%, that move has probably been made. Okay, so again, do not get in. But if you did get in, obviously you would have to use that low of that day as you're out. So if you did get in right up here at 11, let's say right at the open at 11:26, your out would have been right down here at say 10:26. So you would have lost $1. Okay, that is BWEN. It still had a nice move all the way to 12.89. Even if you did get in at 11:20, you still would have made a nice $1.50 move on this one. All right, next stock that I did recommend was XL for the week. So XL did open at $20.48 on Monday, went as high as $22.40 or over 10% or close to 10%. It did close today at $18.98. I thought this one actually was going to grind higher today. Unfortunately, the market had that that headwind, and we couldn't really get out of that. We did have a nice little upgrade from Canaccord, so I really did think that there was a possibility we could have at least made our money back on this one, but we did get again, if you got long at 20.48, it went as high as 22.40, and it did close this week at 18.98. Okay, so that's about a $1.50 loss on that one. Last stock on the list that actually did really well for us was FUBO. So FUBO did open at $40.32 on Monday, went as high as 57.47. That's a $17 gain. It did close today at 42 and a quarter, but still, if you would have caught any piece of that, that would have been a really, really nice win. Okay, that is FUBO. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on this Friday afternoon. Again, my name is Eric, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to get right back to you with that answer for you on any technical analysis you might have. Again, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I really do think you're going to get a lot of valuable information from my technical setups. I really do my homework. I try to give you the ins, why we're getting in. We'll give you the stop prices, why we get stopped out, and again, I think you will really learn and benefit from my technical analysis. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. We will see you on Sunday. I will give you the three stocks that I think are setting up real nicely going into next week, and I guarantee that one of those stocks will not be GameStop. All right, guys, have a great weekend. My name is Eric. We will see you Sunday, And remember, trade smart and be safe.